Hello everyone, my name is Aman and I have done BA in Economics Honours from Government College of Girls, Ludhiana. First of all, I want to tell you that many people scared me in the initial journey of this MBA, MBA preparation actually, that you are a BA student and most of the aspirants are from the engineering or BCom background, so you won't be able to cope up. But I didn't listen to them and I came to the institute, and I remember the first day my counseling session, and they boosted me so much that I felt that this is the thing I have to do. And then I joined IMS, and I actually want to say the faculty is so much dedicated toward their work that they can't even let you sway from your path. They are so much they keep me motivating me throughout my journey of this preparation of MBA. And other things like the material the IMS provided us, the tricks they gave us, and they started us from the very basic level and they moved gradually towards the advanced level. And the most different thing I found here is the motivation level in this institute. It is so much high that even if you are not confident about yourself, they will let you believe in yourself and in your dreams. And I especially remember one of my teachers said me that in your ways there will be difficulties, you will feel that that I should give up, but you should never give up. And this is the thing I followed, that I have to do this in somehow way and I don't want to give up and I will achieve it. And this is what happened. I got 791.5 score out of 800 in math, that is 99.85 percentile, which is I think very good. And through that I got into the Great Lakes Institute of Management in Chennai, which is one of the very reputed B school in our country. And moreover, IMS Institute has groomed my personality. The confidence level which I am today is something else from the time that I have entered here. The GDPS sessions were so awesome that they provided us many experienced persons. They came toward us and they shared their experiences, their special classes, and moreover most of the questions which they asked in our interview we have already covered in our IMS interview sessions. Like I want to share with you that in Great Lakes interview they asked me about the Indian economy from throughout after independence, and this is my interview revolves around this question, and the whole concept I have covered here by the Arpit, who was the passed out of this institute. He came here and he gave us a very impressive lesson, and this you can't got a flick out of there. So I think this is the best decision I have ever made. This is the turning point of my life, and I think you should prefer to come here. You should at least try the trial classes and the demo classes, and you will definitely feel the difference yourself. Thank you.